Apply Vick Vaporub to these 10 cases, and the next day, you won't believe the results. Vick Vaporub is one of the best-known products in the world. It began in the 1900s and is still widely used today. It was created based on the medicinal properties of certain plants and essential oils, and its main use is for treating chest congestion, coughs, and other cold symptoms. But over time, it was discovered that it can also be used for other conditions. Stretch marks occur when the skin stretches quickly. Obese people who subsequently lose weight can develop stretch marks. The same occurs with people who work with muscles or are pregnant. And applying Vick Vaporub to the area with stretch marks can help them become less visible. Number 2. Helps treat acne and pimples. When applied to these areas, it creates an unfavorable environment for bacteria, which inhibits the formation of pimples. Number 3. Fights earache. Earache can be caused by fluid that has entered the ear canal or by an infection. Simply put absorbent cotton in the affected ear with a little Vick Vaporub, and it will help relieve the pain. Number 4. Relieving headaches or migraines can be easily treated with Vick Vaporub, and it will also provide a relaxing sensation. Just apply it to this part, also known as the temporal region. Number 5. For relief from minor bruising, consider using Vick Vaporub. This is mainly due to the menthol, which helps relieve the pain associated with the bruise. Number 6. Repellent. If the intention is to keep mosquitoes away and protect you from bites, it will help with that too. Rub it on your arms, legs, or any area you want to keep insects away from. Number 7. Eliminate nail fungus. Nail fungus causes nails to change color and become thicker, crooked, and can even cause a bad smell. To resolve these conditions, simply apply it to the affected area twice a day. Number 8. Cure cracked heels. If you want to have soft, moisturized feet, applying Vick Vaporub to your heels and putting on socks is a great way to restore this area. Number 9. Soothe insect bites. Vick Vaporub is a refreshing way to get rid of irritation. To do this, rub small amounts of the ointment into the bite, as it has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that will help speed up the healing process and also reduce inflammation. Number 10. Relieves pain. Apply the product to the joints and squeeze it until it is absorbed into the skin. This will help relieve pain in these areas. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you already know about these many other uses for Vick Vaporub? If you know of any others that haven't been mentioned, feel free to let me know. I'd love to know. Bye. See you in the next video.